Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to cut ugu or pumpkin leaves. So you start by plucking the leaves and putting them in a bowl of clean water. The idea is to have in the bowl as much water as possible to make the rinsing a clean one, to give room for plenty of water so that the sand in the vegetables can settle underneath. I like this part, is really tender, but as long as it can cut easily, then it's good to go. I'm transferring the vegetable into a bigger bowl so that I could accommodate more water and of course give room for the vegetables to be rinsed properly. You can do this 2 or 3 times, it's all a matter of your choice. I like to wash before cutting because if I do otherwise, I'll be rinsing most of the nutrients away. So I'm using my tray and of course my local chopping board. I like this chopping board because it helps, or chopping wood, because it helps to raise the level of the vegetable and makes it easier for me to cut. So I'm arranging the vegetables to make sure that they are aligned to help give me a pattern. So with a clean knife, you want to start cutting, and the idea is to place the knife as close to the edge of the vegetable as possible to help get really small slices. While cutting, be sure to move your hands away gently so you don't cut yourself. From time to time you notice that some of them fall over to the side. All you need to just pick them up and put them back underneath and then continue slicing. You also need to wrap the vegetables from time to time to make sure that they are all intact. At this point you need to add a little pressure holding down the vegetables because they can seem bulky, but if you're not comfortable with this, you can really maybe divide it or something. I'm taking this in reading so that it's easier to cut. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. If you do it this way, it will be easier for you to cut. You notice that as you get towards the end, you notice that the vegetables start to feel lighter. The pressure begins to reduce in your hands. Then I have another video where I showed how to cut water leaves. I'll leave the link in the description box below. That's what it looks like, really small slices. At this point it's really easy, and so you can just freestyle at this point, but be careful with your hands. This is what it looks like, really small, tiny slices. Looks gorgeous. I like to still cut them all up to help reduce the length of these vegetables or the slices, because the initial one would appear long in the soup, but I don't like it that way, except the recipe calls for it. You don't have to do this. So when I'm done, I like to add the vegetables back into a sieve to help strain any excess water, if any. So here is the cut vegetable or ugu leaf. It looks really nice. So if you like this video, please share, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time.